DIY ice resurfacing. So there's the ice rink. It's just covered in a lot of snow. So now the first thing you want to do is remove the snow. So right now my dad's removing the snow. And don't worry, you won't slip. You won't slip when you're doing this. And now the process will depend on how big or small your ice rink is. So it could either be long if it's big or short if it's small. And yeah. So right now my dad is removing snow, a little bit of snow still, and then we're close to the next step, but we're not done. So he's still removing the snow. Okay, now, this is optional. Like, you can probably only do it if you have edges on the side of your rink. So if you don't have edges, then you can go right on the next step, which is right now. So for this second step, you will need warm water and old shirt. So basically how it will work, you have the shirt and you pour warm water on it. And like while you're doing it, you have the shirt on the ice and then you move. So if you're kind of confused, then my dad is doing an example right here. And ooh, look how shiny that is. So this is my favorite step, probably, because look how satisfying that looks. Don't you think? Okay, now we're close to finishing. Just adding more water. Then we're not finished. Putting back our things. And then you can put the extra water on the ice rink if you want. Or you could dump it somewhere. And here's the results. Ta-da! Perfecto. Nice. So since we added water, you might have to wait a little bit so it could harden. And yeah. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye!